But that's like something they have to hike up to.
No, it isn't. Guess where we're at? And I'm also blinded because I totally forgot to bring my shades, as did Felipe. Guess where we're at?
Disneyland.
What? So, we're at Disneyland. I'll give you a quick panorama. There's California Adventure over there, and then we got Disneyland behind us. I'm just starting out this intro outside of the crowds of Disney. But Felipe thought we were going to do California Adventure because last year we did Disneyland, but I'm saying no! We're doing Disneyland again. So, we're here, and we're going to go inside, and we're going to make the best of this trip. We're so excited.
Woo.
Why are you not excited?
Huh?
Okay, we're gonna get coffee. I think that's what we need. So, coffee time. Felipe, smile. And there is the castle. We've got the coffee, and check it out. These are Disney park cups of Starbucks coffees. Let's see your Starbucks Disney cup, the best of both worlds. Exciting times.
Oh, you actually can turn left and right.
Yeah, but then it just keeps you in the thing.
Ah.
This is the best thing to go.
Screw, mother. Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're just at Autopia, and I can't drive this car, so speed limit is 6.5 miles per hour. We're going very slow. Anyways, we're gonna go over a game plan right now because we have time. So we purchased the Max Passes from Disneyland, so you just click on the ride you want to go on, and then once you go on that ride, you can choose another ride to do a Max Pass on. So right now we're waiting to do Space Mountain, which in the past is like over 2 hours waiting. So we're gonna do that one, but we'll see because we're trying to do Star Wars and the Max Pass doesn't work for that. So we'll see. But we're gonna have to wait in line for that one, and that one's like an hour wait. So we're all about efficiency here.
Nicole didn't want to bump the people in front of us.
Against the rules. We're going into Adventureland because we're going to go on to Indiana Jones next. We're now in line for Indiana Jones. Do you feel like you're in a safari? You can't go to a theme park without getting churros. That's like number one. Wow, all that sugar that just came off. Quick Disney update. We went into the souvenir shop to get something, and then come to find it is pouring down rain outside. Cans in the rain and all the rain down here. Okay. So we're super full. Felipe didn't bring a jacket, and my jacket is not waterproof, so we got 2 Disney ponchos. So we're gonna put these on. Yours still intact. Does that look great?
Poncho gang, yeah.
You already know. Yours, gotta take them out for a little bit. Poncho gang. We're gonna have to put the camera away for a while because I learned my lesson the hard way putting a camera in water, so.
What happened to your last camera, Nicole?
I put it in a bag to keep it from getting wet, and then there was a water bottle in the bag, and then the water bottle was open, so it got wet in the bag instead of water getting in. Whatever. I broke my phone, or my camera, so we don't talk about those times.
It's recording.
Alright, so the ending part of this, we initially were gonna finish out this vlog and show other stuff, but unfortunately the weather said otherwise. But we're here next to the castle. We just took some pictures. I think now we're just gonna head out of here, but we managed to get through all of our rides that we wanted to do. We got a picture in front of the castle, got a picture in front of the new Star Wars exhibit. Sorry, there's water on the camera. And yeah, so it was a pretty good day. What would you say, cameraman?
The happiest place on earth.
The happiest place on earth. Check out this beautiful, beautiful castle. Should I do something? Happiest place. Higher. Okay, we're gonna close it out right here. And we back. And we back. And we back. And we back. So we're headed to, it's called the Lookout Point. Forgot where it said it's located.
Lookout Point.
Yeah. Isn't that where we're going? Yeah, Lookout Point. Where are you taking us to?
Where are you taking us to?
Newport, it's a park in Newport Beach, California. Are you headed to Newport Beach?
But that's like something they have to hike up to.
No, it isn't.
Alright, put it on the GPS.
Okay.
Put it on my phone.
Well, see, this is why Felipe cannot be trusted.
This is why Felipe cannot be trusted.
This is why Felipe can be trusted. Alright, so now we're going to the Lookout Point. Well, it's called Lookout Point, so yeah. Glad I was vlogging to catch that, because we would have made it to Newport Beach and I would have said, where is Lookout Point? And Felipe would have been like, you meant Newport Beach. And then we would have had this argument 20 minutes from now.
What are you talking about?
Let's go.
Let's go.
See, like right up there is where the actual lookout point is. We're down by the actual beach, which is really pretty and nice. Do you want to try and do a picture right here? Like there. The vision.
Oh, okay, I see it. I see it.
Do you
Go
see
stand
the
over there on the
vision
point.
a little bit?
Very dark, yeah.
Yeah. Right here. Is that the vision or no? Let's see what Felipe's vision is. Well, it's actually not bad. I like the vision on this one. I don't know if you can see it, but well, I'm okay with the vision on this one. So finishing out the vlog. As you can tell, it's been a while since I've vlogged, so I do deeply apologize if this video seems really hashily put together. If this video ever comes to light, my friends would know that I'm very lazy when it comes to editing. Alright, so we didn't end up filming at the party, but we're out of here. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back in Washington soon, but till next time, bye. Wow. Okay, bye.